Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys today. Going to talk a little bit of double about the memes here. Going to talk about Turbo and Toshi today. So let's just go ahead and start setting the scene just very little bit. Looking at Bitcoin at 105. Let's see, Ethereum is holding very steady in 2600. Looks like it's not trying to move at all, but that's not bad at all for us. And let's see where I'm looking at with Avalanche. Avalanche is down to 2174. You know, I've been looking at that. If it ever drops below 20, I'm just going to grab a little bit of that myself. Remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice, though. And but if you'd like to join us, just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We're really enjoying the members that are coming on and a lot of the good comments, etc. And we'll just ask you to grow with us. So anyways, let's go ahead and look at some Bitcoin dominance. 63%. Yep. So Ethereum is going to be 9.5. Not bad right now. So let's go ahead and start jumping into Turbo and Toshi. This is good. Now, I know you're seeing this red, and a lot of people, when they see red, they don't understand that that is something good. But in this case, this is a great time to buy. Full disclosure, I do have some Turbo and Toshi, so I'm not just, talking out of both sides of my mouth. But anyways, this is a great time to buy. If you're looking to get in, this is a great entry point. Remember that Turbo was already over a penny, and by it being less than half a penny right now, this is awesome. So the market cap is less than a third of a billion. So that is awesome as well. We're probably looking for this thing to pop off very well. Remember, we can't really predict the future, but at the same time, we know that as long as we hold on to what we're holding on to, we should be in great position. One other thing we want to encourage, let me make sure everybody can hear me pretty well, but one of the things we want to encourage that this is an investment channel and not a trading channel. So we're not just trading in and out of things, but we're buying and holding mostly, and we're waiting for the opportune time if we need to sell. So anyways, like I said before, let's just keep it moving a little bit. 7 day, let's take a look at the 7 day. 7 day, this is down very nicely. The 1 month, still breaking even for the month on Turbo. So just to give you guys a heads up how well this thing has been doing. Of course, over the year, I'm sure it's up. Oh, my bad. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of surprised, but that is a good surprise to me personally, because if I see it down at this particular time of the year last year, as far as like it's down on the year, that means that I can accumulate and others can accumulate at this particular range. And then we're going to be able to get a higher multiple when things goes back up. Very nice. Very nice. Let me keep it moving. Toshi. Let's talk about some Toshi real quick. Toshi is also going down. So it's going down 9% over the day. Let's see what's done over the 7 day. Yeah, it's down over the 7 day, 18%. That's good for us as well. And then for the month, it's still up. So this guy has been kind of moving in a positive direction over the month. Let's see what's happened over the year. Yeah, over the year is up as well. So just a little bit of a heads up on Toshi. Now, I will say this much. The market cap still has a long ways to go. Where the heck is that guy? Yep, 256 million. I think with Turbo is at 300. Yeah, 325 million. So Turbo's market cap is a little bit higher. At the same time, both of these meme coins, both of these guys are, doing well compared to a lot of our coins in the market. Want to do this. Want to understand that we're in this for the long haul. Right now is the time for a great scoop with these two. Let's give you some positive news about both of these guys as well to let you know that they're not just sitting around twiddling their thumbs, right? So let's go to the X site on Turbo right here. This is giving you a little bit of information. This is from Red Mankind. Minting is officially open. Big thanks to OpenSea for the platform support. Inspired by the resilience of Turbo Toad token and rooted in character that grew from a seed of hope. Fair launch, no whitelist, no allocation, now minting the Turbo Toad collection. So this sounds like some NFT collection on OpenSea. Sounds pretty good to me as well. So let's see what else is going on here. 10K supply, 244 exclusive traits, Turbo Creator certified. So this looks like something very nice. You can book it in. I might regret clicking this, but I'm just going to click it. Let's see. Yep, looks good. Looks good. Awesome. But just some very good positive information on Turbo here. So let's go ahead and move forward on Toshi as well. Let me hear the cat. Hopefully I can hear the cat for just a moment. Sorry. I love the look of the cat. All right. I'm gonna let it roar one more time. There we go. All right, there we go. I wanted to hear him a little bit louder, but that's okay. Whoa, moving on, moving on. All right, now, right here it says we're excited to announce that Toshi is now available on what's this, Revolut app, and this is in Europe. So it says with over 50 million users globally, Revolut provides a major new gateway for access to Toshi. This is something like PayPal. So let's click on here for Revolut so you can kind of see a little bit about what it is. And this is says Revolut changed the way you use money for support related queries. It says reach out to @Revolut support. So there's some good information on here. This is the one I was looking for. This happened as early as last month. Says Revolut is the #1 finance app in Europe. Once again, a thread. Thanks to your trust, we set a new benchmark in 2024. So this, of course, this is Revolut right here. Looks like 27 million. PayPal is behind them at 20 million. So, you know, a lot of us are familiar with PayPal. Maybe there are some of us in America who are not as familiar with Revolut, but Revolut is kicking some posterior, doing a great job, and they're doing very well. So let's keep it moving a little bit. Just to give you guys a little bit of a heads up on that, to let you see what's happening with Revolut. Toshi is on there. And so just to give you a heads up, Toshi is reaching out to Revolut. Some great partnerships, some great things going on. What can you say? Positive news on the how can I say, meme coins here. Toshi, I'm not even going to go through the article on these, but you know, you can look at it if you want to yourself. 99 Bitcoins, this is an article from them. Toshi and Ket, it says crypto leads the best buys this week. So new meme coin to buy. So I say, you know, I'm in agreement with them. Great meme coin here. We're probably going to be looking at some other meme coins as well, but I just want to put these two together, Turbo and Toshi today. Let's go ahead and look at some other positive news, this time from Turbo. So this is from the Cryptonomist. I think we might have looked at this just very briefly the other day. Says 3 best meme coins to buy for potential 100x gains in 2025. One of those is Turbo. Well, actually, the #1 that they have here is Turbo. Turbo Mind and Mod. So those, like I said, we'll probably be talking about other meme coins in a little while, but these are the main ones that we wanted to get in. Thing about Turbo and Toshi, they're going to be looking very nice. Turbo, first of all, let's just go ahead and go back to Turbo for a moment, talk about this one very briefly. When I look at Turbo, I see a lot of potential for growth. I see a community sentiment, and also see, according to Coin Market Cap, we have over 200,000 members there as far as like people that are involved with Turbo. So we're definitely going to be soon seeing some great community thoughts on that sentiment, etc. So over 200,000 in the community here. Now, when we go to let's see, my market cap. I'm looking at the market cap here. So I think this thing has a lot of room to run. Um, I'm just saying, I had to give it a thought. I would still look at least a 20x in my opinion. Some people are saying 100x, 50x, extra x. I try to stay conservative in my investment thoughts, but we definitely know turbo is going to be going up. But this is the way you have to look at it as well. And I'm going to try to wrap this video up. I don't want to make it too long. But one of the first things we're going to see, of course, Bitcoin is going to go break out really strong. Then the next thing we're looking for, as far as the actual cycle is concerned, we're looking for Ethereum to rise. And if you notice, Ethereum was what, like 2,600, so sooner or later we're looking for that to really break out the way it should. Then after that, we'll have the large caps and and maybe after that the memes and the mid caps, small caps last. Of course, we're looking for that particular cycle to develop. We're going by that because of the fact that we know where the money is going to go. Once people have made all their money in Bitcoin, as far as what they feel, then they're going to be looking to go into some altcoins to make even greater money. And the way the altcoins works is that once they make their money in the altcoins and get some good cash, then they recycle back around and invest that money in Bitcoin once again, just to complete the cycle. So we're looking good with Turbo, looking good with Toshi. I personally feel like Toshi is the face of base still. I'm really good to see that, we're on a red day here, and I'm kind of happy about that. Reason why is because this is the best day to buy. Those of you who've been in the market for a while, you already know that. I don't have to explain it to you, but we need to see these red days because when we have a very, very strong conviction about the investments that we're making or the meme coins we're buying or this or that or another, we're going to be looking for positive things. This is going to be slightly different, from other investments because once we get to a certain point with the meme coin, we definitely don't want to hold on to these, want to be able to sell these. Some people want to hold on to theirs, and I don't have any problem with that. But I mean, but I like to, eventually sell most of my memes by the end of the cycle. But, of course, we want to wait till that time comes, and that's going to be quite a while from now. So, I try to put these two together. I remember at one time they were both at 140 million as far as the market caps were almost identical. They were like twins. So right now, from that point, Turbo has gotten a little bit ahead of Toshi. So just a little bit of a heads up on that. But either way, which one are you guys interested in? I know I have some Turbo fans. I have some Toshi fans. I just happen to be both. And unfortunately, I'm not going to discriminate between the two right now and say which one's greater than the other. So I have some of both, full disclosure, and I'm enjoying both of them at the same time. So never mind. Anyways, this is Al, Real Life Investing. Have a great one. Talk to you later. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.